Have some very important updates that we do need to talk in this video. We got airdrops to claim, airdrop to checks, and one of the biggest allocation ever for an airdrop, which is very easy to go and earn. So we jump straight onto the laptop right here, and the first thing is a Lanka intern savior. As we see over here, Lanka is about to launch the mainnet, and this NFT here over on Zora, I will leave you the link down below. First link in the description is an NFT that commemorates the saving of the intern from the basement. So the mainnet is gonna go live soon. We see it also over here, which is this NFT will be crucial for future incentivize. So make sure to get yours. So make sure to go and grab it. It is a very important one. And as we see here, over 7,000 people have minted it, meaning that I am not the only one believing this is or knowing that this is important. A lot of people do know it. So definitely go and grab yours. As we see over here, it is a little movie and it is only 0.0007 ETH, which is approximately 2 cents at time of recording this video. So make sure that you go and grab yours for this one. Very important. As we see also here from the official one over on Lanka, which is, by the way, quite small. So if you did farm it, congratulations. It is very nice. A little update for you all. I got 18 codes left, so this is first come first serve on the video. If you do like my videos, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and as we see here, only 18 people will get this code, so turn the notification bell on, because sometimes we do have this limited edition invite code for some airdrop. This is the GRBT, which is launching very soon, and it is an invite code only. So congratulations to those who got it. Thank you for having the notification turned on. If you do not have it, have them now, and leave a like. Let's try to reach 200 likes on this video. But here we got 18 codes. Make sure to go and grab yours right now. Following up, we got an update on the Gumball airdrop. Now, if you do not know what Gumball is, we have talked about it in yesterday's video. Absolutely, yes. And it is this one over here. It is a game situation over on Telegram, and we do have it here on my Telegram channel, which you are able to go and join for free. Now, as we see over here, it is a very simple game. I will try to start it right now for all of you. We see that 1% of the total G allocation, 10 million G tokens, will be going towards whoever played this minigame. And it is a free to earn minigame, which is very nice. Simply loaded, play it. I will leave you the link down below. Extremely easy to go and do. So we talked about it yesterday. I don't want to spend too much time on it right now, but make sure that you go and do it, as they also posted on their official one. Another airdrop situation that I want to go and talk to you about is the layer 3 airdrop. Now, we do know that this one is coming really soon, and tomorrow we will have the checker to go and claim it. As we see over here, for the claiming begins tomorrow 9:30 a.m. UTC time if you are eligible for it. Well, there is also, as we see from the video right here, so the possibility to go over on ByBit and have the possibility to go and earn this airdrop as soon as it launches, meaning that you can stake $100, then you can take it away $100 once you have it in your wallet, and you will have a nice juicy airdrop from ByBit itself. We got the ZKAL, which did 15x recently. We had the Life token, which did 30x as well. So you get in at this airdrop price at the launching price. So you do not get in at, if it reaches 20 cents at 20 cents. If it reaches 20 cents and it launch at 3 cents, you get in at 3 cents. So it is a really nice initiative from ByBit, and I will leave you the link down below. It is super easy. Once you've done it, you can take your money out, the staked one, and invest it in the future in other projects. So definitely one of the best situation out there. Another important update for this video come from the Owelto airdrop. We have seen here that we do emphasize this situation of the summer NFT situation, and we have the possibility, if you did follow my videos, did at least 2 trades, you have the possibility to go and mint this, as we did go and place ourselves 216, and the top 1,200 people, I did place only with 12 bridge. So if you've done more than 12 bridge, you're definitely in it. We go and mint it, we go and claim it, and we go and collect our NFT over on Owelto, which is really nice and really juicy. As we see over here, we'll go and mint it. And this one altogether will have a bigger impact for a major NFT, which you're able to go and earn for the airdrop. And all you gotta do for this airdrop is super easy. You got quest, bridge to and from, as we see over here, and I am really into it. I got 215,000 points because I really want to grab it, and I really want to do it well for all of you. We see here the total points, but make sure to go and do it. We are in the week 3 for the NFT multiplier situation for the airdrop later on, so you will have a bigger allocation if you go and complete this one. As we said, top 1,200 traders, and as we go and see over here, if we go and do just one simple trade to show you all how to do it, from scroll, for example, 0.0001, I will send it, for example, from scroll to Taiko, which is the cheapest option that you can do right now. You will see that with one trade, I am not qualified for the week 3 as of right now. You have seen it before. This is probably the cheapest way to go and do it. You simply do one trade from Arbitrum or Scroll to anywhere. You go and do one trade. You will see that with one trade, as we said, top 1,200 people will be eligible for this one. I will leave you this link down below to go and join Ovelt because it is a really important, in my opinion, one of the biggest airdrops that we're gonna have after dBridge in terms of the bridging situation. They have a lot of funding as well, so I'm really looking forward for this airdrop. Once you've done it, you will see that you get 225 points per bridge if you have done it, or more if you go and collect the quest that you have here on the side. With 225 points, you will place yourself definitely in the top. Here we go, the points for the week 3 as we're able to go and see. Let's go to page 120. All of these people are still eligible, so you do need to do 2 bridges and you're eligible for this NFT, so make sure to go and do it right now. Following up, we got a little update that we need to talk about over for Swell. Now, Swell have been farming the community for quite a while, and as we see over here, Swell City is in our side. A snapshot of your purse. So if you do have the Swell airdrop, let me know in the comments below if you are eligible for it, if you did go and farm it, what's the situation behind your Swell airdrop. I personally have not touched Swell. Swell was a very simple thing that you go and stake Ethereum. You get your S Ethereum, then you will be able to restake that and go on in different platform. I didn't do it personally, like the Eigen layer. I did not touch those, but if you did, let me know in the comments below. But we see here that the snapshot for the purse will be taken tomorrow on the 30th of July, as we see over here, midnight UTC time tomorrow. Will snapshot this mark the end of the voyage and the beginning of the new opportunity to collect Swell rewards every 10 weeks in Swell City. So it doesn't look like it's gonna be an airdrop situation. It does more look like it's gonna be a farming situation, meaning that they will go and farm you even more with this airdrop, which is not the best situation, I would say, but we got another every 10 weeks in Swell City. So either they will have the airdrop before this 10 weeks end, or every 10 weeks you will be keeping on farming for another year, half a year, potentially 30 weeks, 20 weeks. It does look a little bit fishy, but you know, it is a full-on security protocol that it had gone through security, so it's nothing to worry about if you have your Ethereum stake there. I understand if you're a bit tired to it, but you know, this is what it is. Then following the snapshot, we'll be finalizing details of the TGE, the token generation event. So it does look like after the snapshot it will happen, including the anti-cyber measures, the royalty boost calculation. More details, this will come soon. The end of voyage or better timing will be released in August, so we still got a couple of days to wait, and then they go on and explain. But you know, make sure that you keep it there. If you have it, keep it there. If you are farming this Swell airdrop, make sure that you keep your funds in it. Next up, we got an update, just a word of the Rushi tomorrow. So who is this guy? Well, this is whoever made the Movement Lab XYZ airdrop, and we have covered this airdrop previously. It is a little bit slow to load, so forgive me for that, but we did cover this airdrop previously, and if you haven't, make sure to go and check my recent video. But as we see over here, this is the Movement Lab airdrop, and it is a very nice one to go and do. Let me see if I'm able to connect to my iPhone for this one to go and use the hotspot, because it does look like it's taking a little bit too long. But here we got it, the next generation of blockchain network, and we have covered it already. But it does look like tomorrow could be the day for either a good situation, the situation of maybe anticipating the mainnet launch, as the testnet is already there. So yeah, make sure to keep on following. I will take you the update tomorrow as well, but make sure to keep on following, powering the fastest and most secure layer 2 on Ethereum, potentially the mainnet, potentially I will definitely go and farm this airdrop. Absolutely yes, I think it's gonna be a very good one to go and join, so make sure to stick around because I will take you more details about it in the future for sure. Next up, we do have an update over on the Taiko airdrop situation. We got the Trail 6 NFT trading challenge started. Once again, NFTs are really important, and we can see it over here with Taiko, another situation for the airdrop. This is why we go and look at the Zora NFT. We see how important even a Zora NFT can be. And now we have it for the Taiko Trailblazer over here, which is over on the Taiko mainnet. As we see over here, you are able to go and collect points. If you haven't, I am not doing really great. I'm top 12%, but it's not that bad. And here you can go and claim all the airdrop. If you are not eligible like me, once you go to the Taiko Trailblazer situation, you see the eligibility requirement over here. which is all that you need to know: the Trailblazer Call of Tycho, all of the one that how to be eligible as well, how to participate, use any wallet on Tycho to buy and trade the Tycho NFT of the following project, which I do not have, and that's why you see that I am not eligible for it. You also have the one from before that you can still go and do it, so do not worry. If you haven't done it, just simply click on eligibility requirement, see what you haven't done it, and go and do all of these goodies as well. Following up, we do have the claiming of the Liquid Swap airdrop. Now, Liquid Swap airdrop has come out, and now you are able to go and check your eligibility. So all you gotta do is to connect your wallet, and it does work as we see with the Pontem, with the Petra wallet, etc. Let's go and connect the Petra wallet, which is the one I do own and I do have for this one, and we go on right this. So we click on approve, we click on connect, and you are good to go. Once it's done, simply as we see over here, this address is not eligible for the airdrop. So personally, I'm not eligible for this one, but if you are, let me know in the comments down below if you are eligible for the airdrop or not. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, and let me know your situation for the airdrop in all of the situation, and what do you have it, how far are you into it. So very important updates today, and we will keep up to date even more tomorrow. With that said, thank you for watching. Ciao, guys.